On to another big story that we are following today, and 7 months on, farmers continue with their agitation at Delhi's borders against the centre's 3 farm laws. And to mark the 7 months of the agitation, they are observing today as Save Agriculture and Save Democracy Day. More protesters from UP and Rajasthan have joined at Delhi's border. Union leaders have called for farmers across the country to protest outside the governor's house. They've also written to President Kovind expressing their anger and anguish. Farmers demand that the 3 controversial laws be rolled back. Multiple talks with the centre over this has led to a stalemate. Currently, the laws are on hold after Supreme Court's intervention, but farmers are not backing out. Meanwhile, the government has said that the laws are pro-farmers. Let me go across to my colleague Kangana, who is in fact following this. Kangana, we do believe that there's a large gathering of farmers anyways at the borders, but there are also protests planned across the country today.
Well, of course, there was a tweet by Rakesh Tikaya, farmer leader, and other farmer leaders also, who had threatened to do a massive protest today in the national capital, not only in the national capital, but all across the country. They had plans to go towards the governor's house, which is Raj Bhavan, in all states across the country. So this day where farmers at Singhu, Tikri and Gazipur borders are here to observe something that they are calling it as a Save Agriculture and Save Democracy Day on Saturday. Today is the day when the farmers are marking their 7th month anniversary of the protest. They first started their protest on 26th of November 2020, and it's been 7 months today that they feel and they allege that their demands have been unheard. Even after 11 rounds of meetings with the government, there has been no solution to the MSP or to their other 3 demands of the farm laws, and which is why they say that we will have to do a massive protest, and which is why they had put up a threatening tweet to the centre, clearly saying that there will be lakhs of farmers, like 4 lakh tractors are waiting across the border to enter various cities, especially the national capital, and which is why just to make sure that the situation is under control, there has been a tweet by the Delhi Metro Corporation also, where they have said that 3 major metro stations will be shut, keeping the security reasons in view. So Vishwavidyalaya, Vidhan Sabha and other metro stations will be shut from 10 a.m. in the morning till 2 p.m. in the afternoon today, keeping the security reasons in mind.
Right. Kangana, thank you so much. We'll of course be tracking all this with you. Let's take a look at some reactions which have come in on this.
7 महीने हो जाएंगे, तो 7 महीने होने के बाद ये प्रदर्शन हो रहा है गवर्नर के वहाँ, और राष्ट्रपति जी से ये है कि उनको दिया जा रहा है। फिर उसके आगे की क्या रणनीति होगी वो फिर बाद में तय करेंगे।
कृषि सुधार बिल ये किसानों के जीवन स्तर में तब्दीली लाने वाले हैं। भारत सरकार ने एमएसपी को बढ़ाने का काम किया है, एमएसपी पर पहले से अधिक खरीद करने का काम किया है, और इन कानूनों के समर्थन में देश का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा खड़ा हुआ है। लेकिन फिर भी किसान यूनियन को कानून के किसी भी प्रावधान पर कोई आपत्ति है तो भारत सरकार उन्हें सुनने के लिए भी तैयार है, चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है और निराकरण करने के लिए भी तैयार है।